Hey, good people, what's going on? I realize I'm a little bit late to the Kyle Rittenhouse situation, or at least making a video on it. Mostly everyone covered the topics pretty well, but for me, recently, an idea popped in my head thinking about a previous case that we're all familiar with that happened a few years ago with a guy named Warren Desmond. Whatever that's how you say his last name. But with Warren, we all know him as, if you remember him, he's the lawyer dog guy. He asked for his lawyer, but say, I just want my lawyer dog. And of course, the jackasses who were trying to put him away and deprive him of his rights decided to say, "Hey, let's interpret this as him wanting a lawyer dog," which there are none. So he technically didn't, ask for a lawyer, and technically he just gave up his rights. He didn't really ask for his rights technically or whatever. And fuck him. That's exactly what they did. Versus somebody like Kyle Rittenhouse. If Kyle Rittenhouse would have said the same thing, they'd have been like, "Hey, wait, no, you don't want to ask it like that. You want to ask it like, I am formally requesting legal counsel to protect my rights under the law," or something like that. You have to, yeah, Kyle, you have to expressly to the nth degree that you want to express that you want to do this. But did they do that for Warren? No. Why? Who knows? I'm gonna leave that up to y'all to figure out. But it's just strange to me how all of these right-wingers and Kyle sycophants and fans of Kyle Rittenhouse are saying, "Well, that's the law, and the law is the law," and that's what I would say. Okay, fair enough, but it's the application of the law and these technicalities that seem to favor people like Kyle way more than people like Warren. Because Warren basically got fucked. I mean, his case went all the way to the Louisiana Supreme Court, and almost all of the justices was like, "Well, he didn't quite ask for a lawyer to our liking, so he technically didn't do it, so fuck him." That's basically their response. So you'll see that's what a lot of people on the left seem to be upset about, but maybe they aren't able to articulate or to bring about the point because they're just not thinking about it, maybe. So it's just really weird to me. Like they'll use the technicalities under the law to, give someone like Kyle Rittenhouse every benefit of the doubt that they can, but when it comes to someone like Warren, well, not so much. It's just really strange to me. I thought I'd make this video pointing that out. If you could, let me know what you think down below. I always love seeing your comments down below in the comments section. And as usual, as always, I will see y'all around.